Kublai pi barok ngi pediang sngobai pi sya kathup kubor menta ka janmit. Para shwa pengin pa ki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pet chwai ki mat bakongsan. Thong ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu ria ringut ki lat bathamai upagu chahan unlong shnong baningkong jong ka Meghalaya. Leporda Narendra Modi ya ka lingku sngikha dap arspa snem jong Maharishi Dayanan Saraswati ong ba ka jingkershan ya uduk usuk kalong kamat ka bakongsan jong ka sarkar jong u. Pelat ka kertong jong ka kam na South Shillong constituency ya ka matrekam jong ka seng terwa ban pinmi ya ka hok jong ki patba bat ya ka felicitation center. Bat penlong jingalap election unong yalam kaseng AITC u Dr. Mukul Sangma na kabenta kertong jong u na mukayaw pensyai halor ka jingbam biang ka rukom trekam ka sarkar MDE. Ki kubor ki babnya ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu mentakas ngi kala thong ya ulat ka Bihar upagu Johan kum ulat bathamai ka jila Meghalaya. Kat kum unong aiktien ka Rashtrapati Bhavan ka Murmu kala pediang ya ka Shithi enok kam jong Ubhagat Singh Koshyari bat u RK Mathur kum ulat ka Maharashtra bat u Lieutenant Governor ka Ladakh. Hagaju kapor kala thongru yan reungut kilat bathamai bakentop ya unong bishar bala syongthat ka Supreme Court u S Abdur Nazir ka President kala thongru ya ulat ka Arunachal Pradesh u Brigadier BD Mishra u bala syongthat u babat ya ka kam additional charge of Meghalaya ban longkom u Lieutenant Governor bathamai ka Ladakh hakajaka jong Mathur ka murmur kala thong ya Lieutenant General u Kaiwa Liat Trivikram Parnayak bala syongthat kumulat ka Arunachal Pradesh. U Menteri Rang Bakdu Kari Narendra Modi mentakas ngi u ong bahakapor jong ka Amritkal Kari kadon ya kaju ka jingkhan kongsan kumba u Maharishi Dayanand uladep yo ilupa. Ula keren ya kani ha Delhi ha kapor ba ula play perda ya ka jingrakhe ba shisnem linter ka baken mau burom ya ka lingkhu snigha jong ka jingdap arspa snem u Maharishi Dayanan Saraswati. Haba a jingkren u Modi ula ong ba ka jingkershan ya uduk usuk ka long ka jingkongsan ka bahakmat ula kadaw ba minta ki khon kan thai jong kari kilasdang ban penher ya ki lengson ya pom ka rafal ula benrap ru ba u Maharishi ula yo ilupa ya ka jingkala jong ka sun meneng hakeleng ka perthai om da ki kor ki bor ka jukmenta henrei da ka jingnang jingtep lingba ka vedik. Kumba julong ki weki seng ka kertong jong ka kam na South Shillong ka kong Angela Rangat kala pelat ya ki matrekam jong ka seng hinin ka sngi. Kani ka matrekam ka don arbenta ka baningkong ka kenthop ya ka jingtmu bantrekam na South Shillong bar ka baar ka long ya ka jelahi baro ka way. Haba ajing kren chikilat pathai khubor ka kong Rangat kala ong balada ka wan hakabor kan ombo ya ki lat saw hakakali jong ka. Kala benrap ru bakatu kat ni ke batam nak tulop jongka kan penon kam ban pentrekam nak benta ka hok jong ki patba ban yo ya ka syongsuk syongsan ban lat na ka jingbam sap ban ai ka jingshakri hakapor ka babiang nak benta ki nong shnong jong ka South Shillong.
To the locals in 19 South Shillong to supply the local products and to ensure I commit that I will be on a minimum wage till one of our demands about ensuring welfare boards for the workers, be it the domestic workers, the gig workers, is met. And the rest of my salary will go towards ensuring the People's Rights Center to help people access their entitlements. When it comes to my and my family's health, we will always access government health services so that we know precisely how they are functioning.
U noyalam kaseng AITC u Dr. Mukul Sangma henen kasngi ula penlong ya ka jingalap election nakabenta u kertong jong u na mukayaw u ba lasting suchang da ka jingi shimenta jong ki hajar ngur ki patba la sakhiru ya ka jingedon lang u kertong na ralyang u ba Robina Singkon u convener ka TMC u ba lawyer Sanwar but u vice president ka TMC Meghalaya u ba James Lingdo. Unong yalam jong kaseng TMC ula kren halor ka jingthmu jong kaseng lada kawan hakabor. da ka bakhot yu ba lasting suchang ukon jong ka bri u sangma uloong bo unong yakon na ka TMC ukwa bantray na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong ki patba ha ka constituency. Ula ka daw halor ka jingbam biang ka rukom trikam ka sorkar MPP bala lam khmat da ka sorkar MDA hakini ki sansnem bala len.
I want to tell you that's why that our fight is not just against a candidate or any individual, but against the power and authorities. That started spending money, throwing money left and right, left and right. The same thing is happening in Zanjes and Khasi is that all these people have become so nervous they have started throwing money. All this money have not come from heaven. It is all the people's money.
Ka Center for Kids Parliament jong ka yo pomtia Sports Social and Cultural Organization nongkrem nin kasngi kalapen long ya ka jingyat patba han nongkrem ka bekerpat ya kirangba nong tap vote banjit yo nong mikmat ubatikna. Way na kidikot jong ka ni ka kenhon uba Devin Crespo milim ngap ula kerpat ya kirangba bat kisamla ban tap vote ya ukertong ubatikna. Karkum I wan banri milim ngap man la ka constituency ka don kam yo nong mikmat ubapaka kumta ki patba ki de banda perkhat bha haswa baken tap iki vote jongki u general secretary ka yo pomtia Sports Social and Cultural Organization nongkrem uba wan lang milim ngap ulo ong ba ka Kids Parliament ka banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban penkelano ya ka rukom perkhat perdan ha ka baydai ba ka jingjiet yo nong mikman.
Yang kata ke jingmut ke badan hapo ke jongki long ki berpikir bat adkar hakurukom kumno bancit yakin nong yalam ki ban long sisa kita kinong yalam ki bala ban kit ban ba yakari bat ya gejaj ban riuhi pro kowe
Katkum ka census jong usnem arhajar khatway kaya thu baki don hadu arhajar laispa nyopu saungut ki briu ki badon jingduna hakabor yoi hapo ke jela bat kane kala ban nang kiu shu nakadaw ka jingbam biang ka rukom ay jing shaki ka kamram jong ka senjuk kum ka blind lead trust kay le katbala lakabor ban pinbiang lut na dong shadong ya ki jingdon kam jongki tungin ngap khindiat halor kane ka benta.
When the blind lead the blind, they can choose their own path. Kadai ka pang padeng jong ka blind lead trust ka badai ka senjuk yaram ka badon halau jinriu nong thamai ya ka bala syam da u Dr. Theodore Moalem but uba Jitendra Dekhar uba long managing trustee ka jingtumu ka long ban kentiu but penchilori ki samla ki badon jingduna hakabor yo I but ban yarap yaki ban long ki basman basting but ban don ni kamen sim lai lui.
Futures goals that we have, we want to all the blind people that they must be independent by themselves. They must be stand on their own feet, and we want them to they should work by themselves. They should employees.
Nalor ka jing ai jing hikai yaki haman ki liang kham tam ha ka liang ki kor ki board computer rengkat ka jing penan kam ya ka screen reader software bat ki Android phone ban pin phai nya ka sunjuk kala hikai yaki ni ki khenna kan thei bat chin rang khnang bikin la ban yo yaki kam ki jam ki babiang.
One says that we want to set up the computer training center for the visually impaired, which we aim to establish for free of charge to all of the visually impaired citizen who is underprivileged. Those people who could not afford by their family, who is coming from the poor backgrounds.
Iban wina khemden ilawan haka blind lead trust south nem menchwa. Hadian ba ila deb yo jing hikai iban wina ila la ban pulie ya ka kon braille. Ban mentapan kum iwei na kinong tray ila sam lang ya ki jing hikai shakiwe pan. Idan ka jing sngo ba hadian ka jing penlut por jong I haka senjong mentai ladon ka jing tikna ka baskem but im don kam shu ban chanya tali hakiwe pan.
When I was a teacher here, I feel very grateful because at first teachers teach me. I don't get to learn, but when I became a teacher, I could get the experience that becoming a teacher, it's very tough to make the people understand.
Kumba julong ukanai devnan ulawan chakani ka senjong kum unong yo ajing hikai menta ka kam jong u kadan kam ban bu thek pathek yeki jinglum jingtem jong kani ka senjong.
I was a fellow who was learning all this technology like a computer, Android phone. Because before coming here, I did not know anything about Android and computer. So after learning all this, then I got this opportunity to become a staff.
Kani kasunjuk kabadan hendriu ngut kidkon, kapelit jingmut banbu saya kikor, computer training center, bat ban penlong, ru yaki campaign, ban poi syakathong. Wala kadai kasunjuk kabam dan kajingyo ajing mentoy ru Henry klaim kajingyo ajing kersyan, kam dai kabasuk ban peniat yaka. Kadon bet ya kajing dan kam ban no senyang pisa, lani kanu kajing ai jing yaram, ban peniat bet ya identi ya kam jong kasunjuk.
From Martin Luther Christian University, from the sociology department. I do my internship here for the periods of 1 month, and my experience here with the staff and with Sir and all of the staff here is that they teach me how to use the computer, the smartphone and the ATM machine, and also how they visually impaired use Braille and while writing and reading.
Kablain litras kadai gajaka hakaba kibayo I bat kibam yo I kitrei bat yarap lang iwe ya iwe pan kum shipara bat babaro ki ya sngotu iwe ya iwe kabatrei ru nakabanta ban kuntup lang ya kibam atla bat yakin chung ang nu jongki. Bureau report Digi News Meghalaya.
Mentapat ngini pe ke jinglong jingban jong kasun beneng. Ka jingshit kalong arpo degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khandai point R degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong nyopusan na ka chispa men step bat southway na ka chispa janmen. Ka sun beneng kan rkyang hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka. Sa shisin pat ngipin kan mau pi baya kan ka kubor jongi pila ban pej ha ka juhi ka por ha ka YouTube channel bat ru pila ban pej ha ki kubor ba man lakas ngi ha ka Facebook, Twitter bat Instagram jong ka Digi News Shillong. Shwawan poi syaka bukut jong kathup khubor ngin yapet biang sa shisian yakimat bakongsan. Thung ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu yan reungut kilat pathamai upagu chohan unlong nongsong shnong baningkong jong ka Meghalaya. Play perda Narendra Modi ya ka lingku sngikha dap arspa snem jong Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati ong ba ka jingkersyan ya udup usuk kalong kamat ka bakongsan jong ka sarkar jong Pelat ke kertong jong kakam na South Shillong constituency ya kamat trekam jong kaseng terwa ban penmi ya kahok jong kipat ba ban ya ka facilitation center. Bat penlong jingelap election unong yalam kaseng AITC Dr. Mukul Sangma na kabenta kertong jong na mukayaw pensyai halor ka jingbambiang ka rukom trekam ka sarkar MDA. Te para lo katung ila poi syaka bukut jong kathup kubor jongi mentaka janmet hadu banginde syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.
क्यों परेशान घूम रहा है?
यार नया टीवी लिया था, खराब हो गया।